Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys like what you see, if you guys like my content, don't forget to give a like and follow me. So guys, today's trade for the 21st of August 2024. As you know, we start out trading at 7 a.m. New York time. Right here, we had a relative equal highs. The market traded down right here into a 15-minute fair value gap. Traded down, pushed up, pushed back down, taking out these lows and pushed up. I would have loved to see more displacement here, but it didn't. But then we had a breaker here, which is high, low, high, high. I took my entry right here, as you can see, with 10 contracts, and I exited 7 contracts right here just before taking out these highs. Price then retraced, and took out my next free contract. So guys, as you can see, this was a clear market. This was a clear market maker model right here. This was the sell side of the curve, this was the buy side of the curve. So I capitalized here with 10 contract. I could have put on some more here, but I didn't. Yeah, so as you can see, clear market maker model right here on the 1 minute chart. At 9:30 we had a next opportunity where the market consolidated, accumulated. At 9:30 it pushed down back into the 15-minute fair value gap, pushed up, and there is where we had the displacement. Came down, pushed up from the fair value gap, the 15-minute fair value gap, pushed up and came back down to test this order block for change of state of delivery. Came back right there, touched it right there, and then pushed up again with the displacement, leaving behind a 1 minute fair value gap, break of structure, or a breaker, which is high, low, higher, high. My entry was here again, could have been here, but I was a little late to the chart. I took it here, and then price started moving up, and I trailed my stop too fast, bringing it to break even. Took me out at break even, and price just went up beautifully without me. So yes guys, that's it for today, the 21st of August. This trade, as you can see, my P&L right here is $231.40. If you like my content, make sure you like and follow me for more. Thank you.